guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a package. And before I get onto this opening, I want you guys to go subscribe. It's because it's free, like because it's free. Sorry I have not been posting. As you see, I'm in my new home, and yeah. Oh, that's the dog's thing. So yeah, room tour coming soon. So, and I guess let's get on with the video. So I did some ordering. So I'm gonna pull out one thing and then I'll show you guys. I got, oh my god, it's so cute. I got the Billie phone case. So cute. I like it. Can't wait to put it on my phone. I'm so excited for this. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm gonna open this. Sorry guys, my dog started throwing up, so now I have her on outside. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. So I got this one says hit me hard, and then this one says and soft, and they're the bracelets. They're so cute. I think they're the friendship bracelets. That's what it said. I think I'll have to look back on my order. But and then this, I'm so excited for this. I'll have to wash it, but this just says Eilish on it, and it's meant for a pillow, and I'm so excited to put it. I'm so excited. So this one I'm so excited for. It's a Billie AirPod case. Oh my god, she's so cute. Oh, I can't show that because that's for someone else. Oh my gosh, I got the Bloche keychain and the I Love Billie. Oh, I totally forgot it was like a pin. I'll have to look at that later. I think it's a pin, yeah. So, I'm so excited. Oh, this one I'm so excited for. Oh, I just got pricked. The pin's out. The pin's out right now, but I got the Turn soft pin, and the pin I'll have to put back in. So new AirPod case. I got the, oh, this is so cute. I'm gonna put this one on right now after this video because it's so cute. Oh, and I got another pin, of course. I got the Brat. It's so cute. And then this is what I mainly wanted. This is what I'm seeing all over my IP on my TikTok. It's the 100 envelope saving challenge. I'm seeing this all over TikTok right now, and I wanted it really bad. So I'm very excited for it. So I'm gonna put it together and start saving. So, and that concludes my unboxing, I guess. Billie unboxing, I guess. So, see you guys.